forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.
Hello, good morning. So we are testing my new camera, as the video said, unboxing my new camera. So the best part about this camera is that I like the audio quality of it, because if I speak a little less, I mean like not less, if I speak a little, my volume is a little low like it is now. I get my camera out here, and here is my cell phone, so you will come to know the difference between it, because I am speaking really slow. And the best part of this is, if you speak really slow, you get a good volume of it. Means it is pretty loud, because this volume of mine is slow, and undoubtedly you can hear the background. Yes, definitely you can hear some people talking. Alright, so this was it about my unboxing video. I hope you liked it. I would leave the link for this camera, and I got it from Amazon, so the link will be below in the info box. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not part of my wonderland, please be a part of my wonderland, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And that's it. This is Savi Diaz signing off. Bye bye.